Brothers Movie World has been described as a whole world of entertainment, and, well, it's not hard to see why.
Here at Warner Brothers Movie World, the movies really do come to life, and if you're lucky, you might find yourself being part of the show.
Batman. Now, who wouldn't want to meet him?
This is the Batman ride. It looks cool. It looks scary. Well, I wonder what Batman thinks of it.
Well, Dylan, let's say we do this together, huh?
Okay.
Cool.
Batman's Batwing space shot is a rapid 4.5G vertical launch up a 60-metre tower, followed by a stomach-spinning free-fall drop. Look around and you'll also find scary encounters with Scooby Doo and hilarious encounters with some of the funniest characters on the big screen. The highlight of the day here at Warner Brothers Movie World, the Star Parade along Main Street. Be careful or you'll be picked out to join in the show.
Hey, you can go and stand on that platform over there. Yes. Wonderful indeed. What do you think? What happened?
My sons preferred not to know me by this stage. Take a glimpse at life on the silver screen. There are movie stars, superheroes, cartoon characters, and sexy beasts everywhere you turn.
Warner Brothers Movie World has all sorts of attractions for the whole family, but let's face it, I'm only here for one reason, and he's tall, dark, and shagalicious.
Groovy, baby.
Speak of the devil. Hey, Austin.
Hello.
How do you stay in such great shape?
Well, I do a few workouts, I must admit. We have a rigorous training in the Ministry of Defense, you know.
Really?
Yes, things like I do a few weights. Oh, yeah. Yes. And I do some push-ups. Like that. And occasionally I get Mini-Me to sit on my shoulders and I run around.
Oh, and you do a bit of dancing too.
I
keeps you
do
in
a bit
shape.
of dancing. I do a lot of dancing. Keeps you in
Yeah.
very good shape.
Can I have a look at some
Of course you can. My favorite move is this one. Yes! Yeah! Yeah, swing it, baby! Yeah!
Howdy, partners. Well, turn a corner here at Warner Brothers Movie World and you'll find yourself on another film set. We're now in the Wild, Wild West.
Just like the actual movie lots on the Gold Coast, this place features some cool and realistic sets along with a steep canyon plunge. If you want to meet Bugs Bunny and co, then what's up, folks? You should be at Looney Tunes Village. One of the best attractions to catch, the Police Academy Stunt Show, the world's longest running stunt show with 19,000 performances in 16 years. You can also volunteer for recruitment, if you're brave enough.
Now, I've always wanted to meet a stunt man, and today's my lucky day. This is Simon from the Police Academy Stunt Show. Hi, Simon.
How you going?
You had a great show there today.
Yeah, it is a pretty good show. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, you make it look quite easy, but I imagine it's not.
Yeah, it's not as easy as what it looks. It takes a lot of practice and a lot of training and all that sort of stuff before you get it right. And of course, to get to our level where it's at now, while you're learning, of course, you do have a few slip-ups and a few crashes and stuff like that. But that all comes with the job.
Yeah. Now Now here at Warner Brothers Movie World, there are many stars in the making. Now this is Jamie and he works here. He's a performer. Hey Jamie.
Hi, how you going?
Now what exactly do you get to do here at Movie World?
Well, I do the Police Academy stunt show, plus I'm also a suit performer, so I perform in some of the suits, like yeah, Shrek and a few other characters.
Now is this a great stepping stone for a lot of people who want to go into acting?
Absolutely. It's a really good contact base, so you meet a lot of people who are in the industry, so you get to learn a lot from them, plus yeah, make a lot of contacts as well.
Yeah, and you get to work in a great place like this.
Oh, it's a fantastic place to work.
This is also a fantastic place to overindulge in sweets, so be careful when the kids drag you into Willy Wonka's. You'll be walking out with a serious sugar hit. You can work it all off by screaming yourself into a frenzy on the Lethal Weapon ride. While your legs dangle free, you'll travel 85 kilometres an hour at 4 Gs. If that's not enough, then how about going faster than a speeding bullet?
Now we've saved the best, or perhaps I should say the scariest, till last. This is Superman Escapes. Now this ride uses the same technology or similar technology that an aircraft carrier uses to propel a jet. We're going to shoot from 0 to 100 in just 2 seconds. So let's go!
Yes, it is insane.
That was awesome, incredible. What did you think?
That was good.
It was really good. You got to be a man of steel or a woman of steel to take that one, I tell you. But well worth it. See you guys.
You won't want to leave after one day. Well, maybe someone here can help me hide until tomorrow.
Don't follow us. Come on, let's go.